Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today. But really, as a whole, to scrunch up the chart, I mean, the chart's already been in a very nice uptrend after it came down here, bottomed out here in late August, and then from there has just continued to work its way upwards. Although today was a little bit louder in terms of the attention that it brought itself, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here and you can see that the volume it had was quite a bit bigger than what the chart normally has. So let's first start off with some levels of support. And the initial level is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be there at $2.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Really taking a step back and kind of making life easy, assuming you care about the big picture of things, assuming you care about the overall move. Whoops, let's try that again. That's not what I wanted. This right here being defined as the overall move. So assuming again that that's what you care about, is there a very simplistic way to kind of just look at that and gauge the health of things? Yeah, absolutely. And that is the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So circling back to the point of, well, Clay, how does that make my life easy? Well, it's pretty easy because, I mean, as long as you can understand the fact that as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line goes higher and higher, well, then that implies that the price itself is in an uptrend, and uptrends are bullish, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them a certain way, they literally do insult your intelligence. So again, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? We may need to go to another time frame for this, which is a good problem to have. Yep, so let's go to the daily time frame. So now each one of these represents an entire day, meaning each one of these candlesticks. So let's talk resistance. And as it stands right now, next key level of resistance right up there at $2.95, which is coming all the way back from late April. So it's literally been months upon months since the price has been up this high. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But like I said, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, stays up above that purple line on the 30-minute time frame, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.